Tara, sabay-sabay tayo maglakbay kasama ang mga chikiting ng Children's Channel 1 Batch 2 sa pamumuno ni Kiki Bento at Miko Esquivel sa kanilang palabas na pinamagatang The Adventures of the Bulalakaws.
Dun sa lugar namin, kaming mga bituin, sa langit nagninining, piling na makapiling, nagnanais ng mga chikiting.
Sana magkaroon ako ng baby, yung healthy, tas magkakaroon lang kami ng masayang buhay together.
Gusto ko ng anak na mabait, mabalbon,
Nung una, ayoko
at maliit yung
mag-kiss.
mata.
Pero ngayon, gusto ko na ng anak na malaki pisngi,
Ako?
malaki yung mata.
Kung
Parang
magkakabili
ka.
ako, siyempre dapat yung kamukha ko para pogi, di ba? Kailangan natin naman sa marami.
Gusto kong magkaroon ng anak na mabibigyan ko ng lahat ng pagmamahal at pag-aaruga na nakuha ko mula sa mga magulang ko.
Bulalakaws. Magandang umaga. Handa na ba kayong humanap ng pamilya at planeta? Kung gayon, sabay-sabay kayo ay maglantay at sa inyong mga ningning, tuparin ang mga hiling.
Ano yun? 24 hours game? Yes! Destroy the house? Yes! Roblox everyday? Yes! Stay overnight at IKEA? Yes! Oh, Leia? Tuti-tuti-like? Yes! Oh, Kalea? Can you fight? Yes! Kahit anong magpapasaya sa inyo, gawin nyo lang. Yes, yes, yes! Don't get blind, oh. Virus. Yes, to be is food. No eating junk foods. Sandali, akala ko ba gusto nyo yung nagagawa kung ano yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
Naku, hindi ito ang planetang para sa inyo. Ay. Yes? Yes, of course you can find another planet. Okay, thanks, bye. Go, go, go. Parang pagod na kayo. Ano ang nangyari sa inyo?
Kaya kami tumakas!
Ay, kaya naman pala. Ang dami nyo lang nilakbay, kaya pagod na kayo. O, handa na ba kayong makilala ako? Pakilala kung handa na. O, sige. Ako nga pala si Ate Tana.
Tila ko nagkakasa.
Ay, sandali. Kumain na ba kayo?
No!
Bulirasaw. Sa tingin ko, kayo ay handa na upang makilala ang inyong mga pamilya.
Thank you for letting me eat. I promise I will never forget you. Thank you for caring for me, Mom. Thank you for guiding me, Dad. I promise I won't disobey you, Mom. I promise I will obey you, Dad. Thank you, Mom, for letting me have a baby sister. I promise I'll clean and to never disobey you. I promise to do. Thank you for taking. I promise to do not do bad things. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for taking care of me. I promise I'll be good. I am thankful for my mommy and daddy. I promise I will love you. Thank you, family, for being so caring and good. I promise I will be good like you. I love you. Dear Mom, salamat po sa lahat na binigay ninyo po. Salamat po talaga. Love you po. Mahal na mahal po kita, Mom.
Thank you, Mom, for signing me up for bedtime. It's fun. I promise I will behave.
Thank you, Papa, for saying this. I will promise I will be good. Thank you for counting on me. I promise I will never forget you. Mommy. Thank you for giving me food, water, and much more. I promise that I'll never forget you. I love you. Dear Mom, thank you for better and for a loving home. I promise that I will do good. Mom, I promise to be a good girl. Please forgive me, Mom. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Nanay, Tatay, I promise I will do my... Thank you for the food. I promise to follow you.
Kasi naman, pagod na. Hindi naman palang humingi ang tulong. Sabi nila yun ha? Talaga ba? Gagawin niyo yun? Sige nga, paano ba? Paano niyo ako matutulungan?
I can help you by doing the laundry.
Laundry?
I can help you by washing the dishes.
Washing the dishes?
I can help you clean up your things.
Clean up your things?
I will help you clean the floor.
Clean the floor? Oh, so can you help me? You let me sleep. Cleaning the house.
I can help you by fixing the clothes.
Fixing the clothes.
I can clean the toilet.
Clean the toilet.
I can help with homework.
Homework. Sige. How can you help me? One more time, louder na, louder. Nail polish or stickers on my nails?
I can help you by living in our room and let you rest when I'm doing nothing.
Oh, let me rest. Oh, thank you. Favorite restaurant? My favorite park? You can massage me. Yes. Ano? Sorry. How can you help me? You can play with me. Kiss and hug me.
I can help you by cleaning the car.
Cleaning the car? Ako, sinabi nyo yan, ha? Oo, sinabi nyo yan. Talaga tutulungan nyo ako?
Yes!
cheers of the Bulalakaw Children's Channel 1 Batch 2.
Hello po, magandang umaga po. Kami po ang facilitators ng Children's Theater 1 Batch 2.